Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you several quick and easy troubleshoot steps to fix your Windows 11 taskbar if it's not showing or working correctly. So follow along with these steps and hopefully one of them will resolve your issue. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, just simply open your taskbar by right-clicking on the Start menu. Then just simply select Task Manager. Now in the Processes tab, just simply look for Windows Explorer. So just simply press W on your keyboard and that should find Windows Explorer. Now just simply right-click on Windows Explorer and then just simply click on Restart. This simple step often resolves taskbar issue very quickly. Now if restarting Windows Explorer doesn't work, switch to the Detailed tab. So go to this option and to the Detailed section right over here. Now over here, just simply scroll down and look for Runtime Broker, which you can see right over here. Now just simply right-click on them and click on End Task and do this for all of them, which has the name of Runtime Broker. Next again, just simply look for SearchHost.exe, which you can see right over here in the Details panel. So right-click on it and click on End Task for this particular exe as well. Click on End Process. After that, repeat the same thing for SearchIndex.exe, right-click, End Task. And don't worry if SearchHost is back, it's normal. Next, we will be running few commands to repair the corrupt or missing system files. Right-click on your Start menu and just simply search CMD and run this as administrator. Click on Yes. Now in the CMD, just simply type the following prompts so you can find the prompts in the description box below. Then hit Paste. And after that, just simply hit Enter. So now a scan will begin. Now what you have to do is just simply wait for it to reach 100% threshold. And after that, I will show you what to do next. Now, after it has completed the 100% scan, just simply type SFC // then scan now. 63002 20,245 SIT 002 27,244. After you will type this, just simply hit enter and wait for the process to complete. It should take a few seconds after you will do this. Now, this command will check and fix any issue that your Windows system is having. And then all you have to do is to simply restart your computer and that should fix the issue. So if the taskbar is still not working, we can try modifying our registry setting. So first open your Start menu and type regedit. Then open Registry Editor. Now before making any changes, create a backup by going to the file, then export and save a backup file somewhere on your desktop. Maybe write a name and hit save. Now wait for a few seconds. Next, just simply go to the current users, click on this small drop-down menu over here. Just simply go to Software, click on the drop-down menu, then go to Microsoft, again, click on the drop-down menu. Then in Microsoft, just simply look for Windows. Now over here, just simply look for current version, double-click on it. Now just simply look for Explorer, double-click on it. And lastly, just simply look for Advanced, then just simply double-click on that. Now right-click in the white space on the right side, then click on New, and then just let me choose in DWARD 32-bit value. Now just let me name this file Enable XML Start menu, as you can see right over here. After that, just simply double-click on it and make sure to set the value at 0, as you can see right over here. Then click on OK and close the registry editor from the menu right over here. And after that, just simply restart your computer to see the effect. After restarting, if the taskbar still isn't functioning properly, go to the Start menu, then open Settings, and this time go to the Personalized option, and then click on Taskbar, and then just simply look for Taskbar right over here. Click on it. Now over here, go to Taskbar Behavior, and over here, ensure that Show Badges on Taskbar App and show flashing and share any windows from it. Taskbar are all enabled, so if they are not enabled, adjust the settings if needed. And now in the final step, you can try reinstalling all Windows app and processes using PowerShell. So open your Start menu, then just simply type PowerShell, then open PowerShell using Administrator. Click on Yes, then just simply copy and paste the command provided in the description box below, and then just paste it and then hit Enter. Don't worry if you see any error messages, they can usually be ignored. So after the command finishes, restart your computer one more time. So that's it. And hopefully one of these steps has fixed your taskbar issue on Windows 11. If your taskbar is still not working, try repeating those steps or consider reaching out for further assistance. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.